Whispers from the Brighter World, beloved Master, revered Babuji Maharaj, Tuesday, October 9th, 2001, 8 am. The earth must go through fire for a new world to emerge. This period will be long and painful. Some countries will be more affected than others. It always goes like this in this kind of situation. When people are driven by hatred, it is difficult to stop them. We are powerless in the face of the extent of the development resulting from long years of mutual incomprehension. Religions divide men more than they unite them. Such was not the goal of the great prophets whose missions were to help humanity. The truths taught were interpreted and thus distorted by people devoid of uprightness. There is no right war, not the war of weapons and resulting terror. You who have acquired a certain greatness of soul, you should play a moderating role in your thoughts and comments. Beware of hateful feelings, easy criticism, and judgments tinged with your human condition. Try to be right and moderate. Cultivate love in yourself and keep it intact for all your brothers who are struggling, whatever their side. They are creatures of God, grappling with the grimmest feeling, and as such, they are to be pitied. Have utmost compassion for everybody. Babuji Maharaj. Same day at 10 am. This message is by the envoy. Some people in the world are suffering painfully. You are until now amongst the privileged ones. It is necessary to face the facts on this point and be thankful for being spared. The wheel of fortune spins round, and you are likely to undergo the collateral effects of this terrible war which is brewing. Remain surrendered to the divine mercy, which finds its justification in facts incomprehensible to man. Your life does not end with this one. Therefore, continue on your path with faith and hope for better days when men will wish to see reason, having been defeated on both sides by their own struggle. Each one is convinced to be within their rights and does not want in any case to consider their brother who is on the other side. When men have the wisdom to recognize that they are of the same essence and are the children of God on the same basis, whatever their origin, the world will have taken a great step towards wisdom. It will prevail in future times. So, call for this peaceful and salutary resolution for mankind that without it is on the road to ruin. Only the supreme grace can save it. The envoy.